Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a calendar in Confluence page. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, select on the space where you want to add your calendar. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make a calendar. So go ahead and select it. Once inside, click on Add New. Here, type in a name for it. Then, click on the Create button. You can go ahead and choose to add an event if you'd like. Just type in a title for it and choose a start date and an end date for it. Once done, just go and save your event. Now that you have your calendar and your event, what you need to do is to go to the page or create a page where you want to add it. Once inside, type in a slash and type calendar. Once you have that, select on Team Calendars. Now, a right panel will appear. For the calendar, type in the name of the one that you just created and select it. Here, you can also change the view of that calendar, whether from month, week, list, or timeline. You can also change its width and height. And there you have it. You now have your calendar on your page, which also shows your events. And that's just basically it. That's how you make a calendar in your Confluence page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.